every third table from Yushan. Here snooker is not just a game.
Matt, welcome to the Yushan Shanglao for the matches. What's your favorite player?
My favorite player is Ronnie O'Sullivan, and I hope you're gonna win this competition. But I have a question, why is such a top-tier event being held in Yushan?
Okay. Follow me, we will find it.
Okay. This is stone. It looks ordinary. What's so special about it?
这就是来自我们玉山特有的青石板，用于我们斯诺克顶级赛事擂台上面。
All these stones, they're gonna become a snooker table? So
这边
interesting.
斯诺克场。
So all these going to England, the home of the snooker.
对，我们每年生产25万张台球石板，5万张台球桌，全球所有的台球桌当3张当中有1张就来自我们玉山青板。
Wow, that's so amazing.
是的。
Hello, you play really good. Do you learn playing snooker in this school? And what's your dream?
谢谢，我在这边学习了台球，因为台球是我的爱好。我的梦想是当一名职业选手。
加油! Every third table from Yushan. Here snooker is not just a game. It's an industry, a school, a life. It's a world snooker city.